How to use your chill necktie. You're going to need your necktie, a bowl, or a plastic bag would work, and cold water. Your cold water can be from the refrigerator. Your cold water could be from the sink. You can even refrigerate this after you've hydrated your beads. So you're going to grab your bowl, fill it up with your cold water. Then you're going to take your necktie. Your beads are here. Maybe try to spread them out through the center of each pocket. And then you're just going to submerge this in your water. There we go. If it floats too well, you can just take something, stick it on it to help keep all parts underneath the water. And now you're going to wait at least 15 minutes, if not more. And those beads are going to soak up that water. You might want to come back at halfway through your 15 minutes. Take your beads. Kind of make sure they're evenly through each of these pockets instead of all on one end. There we go. Now make sure they're all back down in the water for about 7 odd more minutes. Notice how tight and full these are compared to here. You might want to squeeze out this end a little bit. Squeeze out this end a little bit. Center here, you don't need to squeeze. If you want to get rid of extra water, you can. The whole point of this is that it will slowly release water over time. So what you're going to do is you just take this, bring it around your neck so that it touches your skin. You could tie it in a bow, or you could just tie it like this, and then this right next to your neck is going to slowly release water and keep you cool. Have fun. Quick storage tips for your chill necktie are to make sure that it dries out completely between uses. If it stays wet eternally, things like mold, bacteria, and other gross things are going to start growing on it. So you just need to dry it out completely until the beads are completely dry the way they were before. And hydrate when you want it. I have heard that you can microwave these to end up having these be heat packs. I've never tried that. If you want to test it out and let me know how it works, go for it. I have also heard that you can freeze these. Make sure they're super cold when you start. Just be careful because, well, frozen things expand, right? It might end up being too tight here. Have fun.